Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Now for this, we will be using Google My Maps. Okay, come to google.com/maps. This is basically a tool by Google where you can go ahead and customize the maps with markers, lines, shapes. Okay, the other one, Google Maps, is mainly for navigation. So I'll come here, click on create a new map. Okay. Click on this option. Now we'll go ahead and click on create, right? And there we go. It is initializing. So wait for this to load up. Okay, now you want to search for your location or your address. Let's say Denver, right? I'll go look up Denver. Here we are, Denver, Colorado. Now I'll zoom in here. Let's say, or you can even put a specific address of a location. You know, it can be very specific, maybe Butcher Block Cafe in Denver. Now, if you want to go ahead and add a pin, all you need to do, you see this marker option, right? Just go ahead and click on this. You can add a pin right here, right? That's point 1. You can go ahead and name it as you like. And then maybe you would like to go here as well. There we go. Maybe here can add a bunch more, right? For your direction. Maybe you're making a delivery, something like that, right? You can go ahead and add this point 3. Be moving along. There we go. Point 4. Let me get you 2 more. So we'll do one here. And then let's do one a little bit here, right? We'll get a little bit further away. And now we have 6 points. Check this out, guys. So we have this in, this layer. You can add another special layer if you would like. Go ahead and click on save. And there you go. We have added our 6 points, as you can see, right? Now I'll show you something cool. So I've clicked on point 1. And then I'll come here and click on add directions. And check this out, okay? So we have point 1 right there. And then I'll add point 2. There we go. So now it's drawing directions from point 1, point 2. Can keep adding more, point 3, right? Point 4, so on and so forth. Keep adding them right here. Let me go ahead and do the whole thing. And there you go. So we're going to be going from point A to point 6 right here, which is F, right? It's really that easy and simple.